Hello friends, today it's a very exciting day because it's finally here in Malaysia. I tell you, the first time we saw it was when we were in San Francisco, okay? Before any lockdown happened, it was in San Francisco where we got our hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, okay? We touched it for a while, okay? We played around and then we were like, alright, I can't wait for it to come to Malaysia. Then boom! The MCO happened. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, fresh out of the oven, it is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Flip, finally in Malaysia. Okay, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Actually, I opened it already because I couldn't wait, I couldn't wait for the unboxing. The minute I got it, I was like, everything take out. And oh my gosh, guys. This is the Samsung Galaxy Flip, okay? Look at that, okay? Okay, yeah, it looks like a phone, it looks like the usual phone, it looks like the regular phone that you normally use, and all of a sudden, I've been using this for a couple of days right now, and I do sometimes kind of forget that I have a mobile phone in my pocket because actually it's so small. Because we are all so used to basically putting these large mobile phones into our pockets, and every time when it vibrates, you'll be like, oh okay, it's there. This thing, when it vibrates, and then after when you touch your pocket, oh yeah, it's there. It is that compact. This is the Samsung Galaxy Fold. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Alright? So, I'm done. Fold. This one. Look at the size difference. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Wow. Now it comes in two colors. I've got the black one, of course. The flagship color is purple, and purple is gorgeous. It's very, very nice. And of course, hey, you can put some skins on it if you want to. But here are some of the features that you guys might want to take note of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. First things first, let's talk about the screen, alright? This is the first of its kind out there. It's called foldable glass. That's right, who would have thought? Glass will be able to fold. A lot of people will be wondering like, hey, got the crease over there will you notice it or not? Okay, now I'll be very, very honest with you. If you were to basically run your fingers across the crease, it's there. Yes, just like the Galaxy Fold as well, the crease is there. But if you're gonna be watching video content, you won't even notice the crease. If you're so immersed in the content that you're watching, if you're so immersed in the website that you're surfing, I don't think you'll even realize it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see the crease? So the aspect ratio of the screen is a little bit different.
You want to take me there?
Shh. So the aspect ratio of the Z Flip is a little bit different. It's a 21.9:9 aspect ratio. So if you were to watch 16:9 videos, you're gonna get some black bars on the sides. But if you're gonna be watching some content that basically features widescreen, yes, the cinematic aspect ratio is gonna look amazing on this phone. So another feature of the Samsung Galaxy Flip is it allows you to multitask as well. Let's say for example you want to open Twitter, but at the same time you want to open Facebook as well, alright? And you want your Facebook on top and you want your Twitter at the bottom. So what you can do is you can actually set it into a split screen view. So you put Facebook on top, and the bottom, and Twitter on top. You can put whatever you want, okay? You can put your email here, you can put your WhatsApp over here. So it basically gives you two windows. And what happens if I do this? What? So your bottom is going to be like, whatever you put there, and your top is going to be whatever you put there. So technically, like you have two windows to play with. You can even browse your pictures, dude. Check this out. It basically becomes a touchpad. Tum, tum, tum. This is amazing stuff, look at that. Now Samsung announced their partnership with Google and they launched Google Duo on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, which allows you to basically make video conference calls or video calls to anyone with an Android device or a Galaxy device. So when you close your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, you notice here there's a little window. This is your notifications window. You can use it to tell the time. You can actually swipe to the left. You can actually read a preview of your messages. But if you want to read all of them, press again. Open your phone and then just unlock your phone and it brings you directly to the screen. So this is app continuity as what they basically mentioned at the launch as well. So this is pretty good stuff. So it basically helps you decide whether that message is important enough for you to flip your phone open or ignore it. So next we want to talk about the Hinge. Okay, now, is it very flimsy? I'm actually shaking it right now. Okay, I don't feel any give. Okay, there's nothing rattling or whatever now. And for you to actually close the hinge requires a little bit of effort. Okay, and it feels very, very solid. So according to MKBHD, Samsung is making the best foldable small. Oh man, this is the best This is the best smallable.
One eternity later.
So according to MKBHD, Samsung is making the best foldable smartphones out there in the market, period. So you got your fingerprint reader on the side over here. Love the position because you know, you take out your phone and straight away press to unlock your phone. Boom! Like that. So you've got great cameras on this phone as well. You've got the ultra wide camera, you've got the normal focal length, you've got the selfie camera where you can take pictures, or you can use it to do video calls. And of course, at the launch, they basically knock. Mom! My mom doesn't know when I'm recording, or she knows, but she just purposely wants to talk when I'm recording just to annoy me. Sometimes when you take pictures, it's kinda annoying to get people to take pictures for you. And of course, especially at times like these where you need to practice social distancing, you don't want people to just hold your phone and take your pictures for you, right? So all you need to do is just make your own tripod. So what do you want to do? Do you want to take a selfie? Or do you want to use the high quality camera at the back and then you can activate the little notification screen as your reference camera and then take a picture? Now, if you're carrying this phone around, which I have been for the past few days, I think like a lot of people will be like, hey, what's that? Wow, is that the foldable phone? Wow, is that the Z Flip? You know what? Oh, is that the Galaxy Fold? So this becomes sort of like a conversational starter. It does get a lot of attention because yes, not every day would you be able to say that, hey, my smartphone does this. This is freaking amazing. So that's been it. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, finally in Malaysia. It basically comes with a warranty. Hey baby! Hi! Come here! So that is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And of course, it's finally in Malaysia. You can get your hands on one. You can go to the Samsung store and play around with it. If you want to find out more information, links in the description. Hazel, you want to say bye-bye to everyone? Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! No, there, that's the camera. The camera's there. Say bye-bye! Bye-bye. Yes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe. Close.